Oh, what a beautiful Saturday. Got out and I actually cleaned the gutters. But you want to know the beautiful part? Didn't even have to get on the roof. I've been searching for a solution for, a couple years now on how to address the gutters. Why? Because when they get clogged, it's a pain in the behind. All the water starts overflowing over the gutter system, as you can see behind me. But don't have that problem anymore. Now, you might be thinking, oh, why didn't you get maybe a gutter screen or gutter helmet or those solutions? Well, I did my research and I got those estimates, and the cost did not justify the solution. And believe it or not, after years and years and years of finally looking, I found a solution that literally cost me maybe about $150 all in. And took me maybe 45 minutes, a little less than an hour. But the beautiful thing is I was able to clean the gutters and I didn't have to get on the roof. Can't tell you how dangerous that is. I can't tell you the liability that you don't want to address, especially if you have contractors come out and clean it for you. So, man, in my opinion, when you have the right solution and it's something that is low risk, it's worth its weight in gold. If you want to learn more about what solution that I decided to choose in order to clean my gutters on a biannual basis, tune in to find out.